Assalamu alaikum, I'm Pushpa Kaisar, an educator, a lawyer, a leadership mentor, and a woman who believes in building purposeful and impactful careers. As a dean and a director at a leading university and a doctoral researcher in law, I've worked with students, professionals, and executives, helping them step into the roles of greater influence and responsibility. I know what it takes to lead in today's world because I've learned the journey. Balancing work, education, leadership, and family. I've learned that leadership is not just a role, it's a mindset. This is why I've partnered with LiveX-UMT to bring to the Certified Women Executive Leadership Development Program a dynamic, practical learning experience designed to empower women at every stage of their professional journey. This is not just a theory, it's a hands-on leadership development program in which you learn how to communicate with impact, lead high-performing teams, build emotional intelligence, and make strategic decisions under pressure. And most importantly, build a personal leadership identity that reflects who you are and where you're going. Through mentorship, strategic coaching, interactive sessions, and global leadership insights, I will personally guide you to become the leader you are meant to be. If you're ready to make change of your growth, influence change, and define your legacy, I invite you to join this journey. This is your time, your path, and your leadership story. Let's write it together. Register today at LiveX.tech and step forward with confidence.